Lexus uses a non-touch screen, and this actual remote touch, and that's exactly what Lexus calls it, a remote touch, allows us to use some of the buttons found. We have map, we have a scroll button for advancing the map or getting it closer in range, pressing the button here to zoom out, a back arrow as well as a menu button, an enter button on either side, as well as an enter button straight down on the actual mouse. In this vehicle, underneath the remote touch is a storage area for a small MP player or an older iPhone 5, or iPhone came out with something called the 5C not too long ago, and it would come and fit in this spot very nicely. There is a pass-through for charging cables that plug into the 12 volt or to the USB. What I wanted to go over here is kind of show you some of the similarities that you'll find up on the main dash. The main dash, you'll see that you have radio, media, track selection by going previous or track, play, pause, and eject for the CD. So if I were to go over here to the word menu, so we have up in the top on this menu, you will see destination, radio, media, phone, Lexus app, information, climate, and setup. Down here you're going to see two of the same buttons, radio and media. The phone, we already know we can use over here on this side of the steering wheel, which is pretty cool. So some of these things you can say are duplicates. I'm going to use my mouse and click into radio. There's my Elvis radio. But so many times people say, now how do you make presets? So right now we have in this RX 36 radio stations that we can put in, because if we have one page of 6, so we have one page of 6, 6 pages of 6 would be 36 stations. Now you're looking at this cool menu and it gives you FM, FM, AM, AM, satellite, satellite. You can stack your stations any which way you want. Now if I wanted to put a radio station in, let's say 96.3, I'm going to use my mouse, click on the first FM station, because currently we are in satellite, because it says satellite right up here. By clicking on FM, it takes us right to the FM source. Then I'm going to use my circular tune scroll button and go down to 96.3. Once I'm there, I'm going to hold my remote touch button down until 98.1 is now 96.3. And then you repeat that same kind of setup. Now if I wanted to go to another station, I can always voice it in as well.
Please say a category name.
Tune to 104.1 FM.
Tune to 104.1 FM.
Then I could place 104.1 FM just below 96.3. And that's doing it just a little bit different style.